Yay, bot strike. Yay. Okay. Baby. There's a baby bird. We are rescuing a baby bird, people.
Yeah, definitely gets hit.
Okay. The branch looks like it's about to fall.
No, I just don't want to touch the branch as much as possible. Because I don't know if she has any more babies.
I've got your ladder, so. Aww.
All right.
So there goes
Got
the
it?
baby bird.
Careful.
There she goes. Careful. You guys got the better side of my line. So there's the next guy. Oh, I thought there was something else.
Will you come on the other side? I'll hold
Sure.
this.
You got her?
And just get the back of her leg or just.
Got her.
Yeah.
We just met and I'm already at second base.
Yeah.
He's in.
I move quick.
He's in.
It's Operation Save the
right.
Baby Bird.
Come on down.
good.
You're all right.
Okay. All right.
Ooh, that's
Sorry.
You got
Don't let
it
her
in?
go, though.
I'm not.
Don't let her go.
All right,
chill.
we're good.
Okay.
Yay!
Let her
Thank
go.
you, Mr. Broadstripe, or whatever.
Okay.
All right.
Safety first, right,
Good
Mr.
job, guys.
Broadstripe?
Good job.
Thank you, Mr. Broadstripe.
Yay! We saved a baby bird.
Stacy, again, thanks for telling
Bye. Thank you.
me. Stacy, again,
we
thanks
all
for telling
did
me.
it. Exactly. What's with me looking at stuff?
Hi, Billy. Remember when you ran away?
I'm always looking at
Remember when you
stuff.
got you? Remember when we got find you?
Hi.
I seen her too, and I seen the baby
She knows how to
bird.
get the doors open now. Now we have
Oh
to
my.
do.
Wait, no, she knows how to twist it.
No, because the back slider, she was able to. If it's not locked, I must have left it unlocked. She can pull it open.
Oh
Oh my
Lord!
God.
She's smart.
All right, guys. This was Operation Rescue the Baby Bird.
Now pause it.
And no. Okay. And Stacy, Naya, and Skye is awesome. Okay. And if you haven't watched the other video, watch Saving Daily, which is also when she runs away. And if you've heard, she can able to open the door now. So